See, he does not. I've seen TMC now, I think not less than 3 months back, 3 or 4 months. Everywhere you will see the advertisement of TMC. They have to do it. It's a new party, a new company, I should say. When you talk about new company, means you have to spend maximum time in publicity and advertisement. So I appreciate that they should do. Otherwise, nobody knows who's that TMC. I don't think it will happen. That's what I'm telling you. I told you that it depends on the candidate, and then village to village. We don't want to spend much time on that because people know better than anybody else. The allegation made, be it TMC, be it anybody, during election is always there. Allegation after allegation can be made, but ultimately during election, during the polling day, nobody can convince anybody because the decision is so individualistic where they decide themselves quietly. Even the father or mother does not know where is my son vote, where is my son voted, where's my daughter voted. It's very difficult. So let us see. The day the counting comes, we will see.